friends, I'm Shloka
and I'm Moksha.
This is our
Second video,
and today we're gonna do
the Indian recipe slime video. So let's start.
If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe,
Like,
share,
and comment down below.
whose slime is best.
Okay, let's start.
And comment down below if you haven't, comment down below that what should be our channel's name.
And comment down below if you have any other apps to make the video clear.
And if you haven't seen our first video, search slime video. If you didn't get it, then search slime video We Buddies.
Okay, let's start. And it's totally Indian recipe. The Indian ingredients are BoroPlus powder, and any lotion can be used. We are using Vaseline and 3 glue bottles. It should be only liquid glue and not glue stick.
And we are using Fevicil colors.
And the color is totally optional. I'm going to use white. So let's start. So,
That just sound weird.
We are clearing the gum into the bowls.
So next we have to add the color. Right?
we're going to use a half bottle.
Half
for each.
bottle me you and half bottle. So she used this much and I'm gonna use the other half.
So I'm going to take some color.
It surely sounds very bad. So she is
What is
using,
that you have added?
So she is using white color and I'm using the pink. So
you're gonna you can just do the front part. Wait, you can just wipe this off and use it like this. So now I'm gonna add my color.
oh my god, that looks so beautiful.
I love mine.
Guys, look at this.
The blue. Look, you can just stir it because I need to take the blue.
That yeah, and today is Friendship Day.
So we already exchanged our bands.
And comment down below who is your best friend.
Who is your best friend, Moksha? Who is your best friend, Shashu? Shloka?
Moksha. Mine is like turning a little bit purplish.
Yeah.
So the rest of the green, just the last. So mine is
Maybe
like
some left is there. Oh,
Some.
I can
we have so many to add. BoroPlus powder.
you can just add some lotion then add some BoroPlus powder.
Yeah.
Ew. This is very hard to get the last drop out of the.
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna add one pump of lotion. That's good. So let's start mixing. So it's totally Indian recipe. If Indian wants to try them, you can just. So mine is turned like this. So now
Time to add some powder.
powder.
If you think it is not enough, you need to add more. Like at starting it was like,
We are not cutting any scenes from the video.
yeah.
So just go with a little powder.
It's like very different.
Coming out this nano mix. This come out a little bit more.
Yeah.
Comment down below if you need to put some bubble lotion to make bubbles, or we need more slime to make bubbles. I think we need more slime to make bubbles.
Yeah, and don't forget to comment down below that what app should be like used for that. Like, I don't want to end this video. I like my slime.
So okay, comment down below whose slime is the best. Bye guys, and comment down below what should be our next video. And we already planned to make one ice challenge, and Shloka is telling that
I'm gonna prank her.
No guys, I'm gonna prank her. So let's
I
see.
am doing it. Okay, comment down below who's gonna do it first. Definitely me.
Okay, definitely me guys today.
Okay, comment down below if my slime is the best. Pink and purple always is the best.
White is always the best. Okay, this is it for the video.
Thanks guys for watching the video, and subscribe, like, share,
And don't forget to comment down below what should be the
channel name, whose slime is the best, and what app should be used for more clarity and editing for you all guys.
Bye.
Thank you.